Morning everyone. Nice and early D-Day for me mate turning up to pull that engine and gearbox and all the electrical out of a donor Falcon with me today. So I'm going to clean the shed out, push the cars outside. Wouldn't mind putting Beefy out in the sun too, because I want to do a bit of a reveal to him and tape his reactions. So I'll put the car cover over it and do a big voila. So big day. Be good though to get that little bit of a step done, that's for sure. So I told him last time, but well, I told him about this time because he came up to actually help strip the car. That was the last time he seen it, when he was actually up here helping strip all the paint off and put it back to bare metal. And that's probably about a year ago now. So we've got the colour on, so this is a big thing for him to come and see at this stage. So we'll see what he goes and see what he says and that sort of thing, but I reckon he's pretty pleased with it. I mean, if he doesn't like it, I'll have it. I'm definitely keen to buy it off him. So, but fingers crossed it all goes well. Let's get into the day. Got to start moving cars.
Oh,